Making videos is easier than ever. With the advancements in technology, the barriers to entry have significantly lowered. You don't need fancy equipment. A simple smartphone or a basic camera setup is all you need to get started. You don't need to be a pro. The tools available today are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. With InVideo.ai, anyone can make awesome videos. It's like magic. The platform offers a range of features that simplify the video creation process. InVideo.ai is your secret weapon. It empowers you to create professional quality videos without the steep learning curve. Creating pro videos used to be hard. The software was complex and the learning curve was steep. It took time and expensive tools. Not anymore. InVideo.ai changes the game. It democratizes video creation, making it accessible to everyone. It's powerful but easy to use. No more excuses. Start creating today. The intuitive interface ensures that even beginners can produce stunning videos. In the past, you needed to be a tech whiz to edit videos. Those days are gone. The modern tools are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. InVideo.ai makes it a breeze. It's so intuitive. The platform guides you through each step, ensuring you never feel lost. You'll be a pro in no time. With InVideo.ai, the future of video creation is truly here. Embrace the possibilities and start your journey today. Let me introduce you to InVideo.ai. It's your new best friend for video creation. This amazing platform helps you make pro-quality videos. And the best part? It's super simple. InVideo.ai is packed with features. You get tons of templates. They're designed by pros. Choose from different styles. Find the perfect one for your video. Want to add your own flair? No problem. InVideo.ai lets you customize everything. Add your logo, colors, and fonts. Make your brand shine through. Ready to dive in? Let's get started on your journey to creating stunning videos with InVideo.ai. Signing up is a piece of cake. Simply fill out the online form with your basic details and click the sign up button. Just head to the InVideo.ai website. Create an account by entering your email and setting a password. It takes just a few seconds. Boom! You're in. Now you're ready to explore the world of video creation. Once you're in, it's time to choose a template. This is where the magic begins. InVideo.ai has a massive library. Browse through the categories to find the perfect template for your project. Find one that fits your vision. Whether it's for a business presentation, a social media post, or a personal project, there's something for everyone. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can preview templates to see how they look with your content before making a final decision. See how they look with your content. This way you can ensure that the template aligns perfectly with your vision. Found the perfect match? Great, you're one step closer to creating an amazing video. Let's move on to the fun part, customization. Here you can add your personal touch to make the video truly yours. Section 4, making it your own. Customization at your fingertips. Here's where your creativity shines. InVideo.ai makes customization easy. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, the intuitive interface ensures that you can bring your vision to life without any hassle. Add your own text, images, and videos, make your video unique. The drag and drop functionality allows you to effortlessly incorporate your personal touch. Want to use stock footage? No problem. InVideo.ai has you covered. With a vast collection of stock footage, you can find the perfect clips to complement your project. Access a huge library of high-quality footage. From nature scenes to urban landscapes, the options are endless. Find the perfect clips to enhance your video. Preview and select the best ones that fit your narrative seamlessly. You can also add music and sound effects. The right audio can transform your video, making it more engaging and immersive. Choose from their library or upload your own. Whether it's background music or sound effects, you have complete control over the audio elements. Set the mood and bring your video to life. With InVideo.ai, every element is customizable, ensuring your final product is exactly how you envisioned it. Section 5, polishing your masterpiece, transitions, animations, and effects. Want to add some flair? InVideo.ai has tons of cool transitions. Use them between clips. Make your video flow smoothly. You can also add animations and effects. Make your text pop, add some visual interest, keep your viewers engaged. InVideo.ai even lets you adjust colors and lighting. Make your video look super professional. It's like having your own editing studio. Section 6, sharing your vision, export and unleash your video. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. InVideo.ai makes exporting a breeze. Choose your desired video quality. Hit that export button. InVideo.ai will process your video in minutes. Once it's done, you can download it. Share it on social media. Embed it on your website. Congratulations! You've just created a professional-looking video using InVideo.ai. Easy, right?